One of my favorite logic games of all time is Minesweeper. You have to start by clicking any random square and then interpret the numbers. And you're searching for the mines. If you click on a mine, the game's over. These numbers will direct you as to how many mines are touching that square. Under controls, you can read about a left click, a right click, a space bar, a middle click, and all that other stuff. But here's the logic behind it. This number 1 indicates that there is one mine adjacent to that square. So it could be this one, it could be that one, it could be this one. If I hover over it, hit the space bar, or do the double click, the right left click, it just flashes those are the adjacent squares. So the mine could be any one of those. Here's the logic behind the game. Clicking this 2, I know that those are the only 2 squares adjacent to this 2. And it's touching 2 mines. So those have to be mines. And since this 1 is adjacent to that mine, that's not a mine. So I can click on it safely, as with this one. Since this is touching this mine, this isn't a mine. And I got to clear the minefield until, oh, I got one. And then reset. Have fun.